Hello everyone! If you want to create consistent character with just a few training images, you can generate your character in new settings, poses, and scenarios while maintaining a flawless, consistent appearance. Create AI images with face character reference, and many more features in it like image to image, text to image, image to video. You will be able to access so many AI tools at one place. Before telling the name of this tool, here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video. Its name is Dzine. You will find the link in the description. So this is the Dzine AI first look. From here you can explore all the features. Let's start with the clicking by new project. Here you have to select your image ratio and click on apply. When you're done here the left side, you can see all the features available. And here our character tool, where you can see 3 types of tool: insert character, character sheet, consistent character. Let's start our video to creating our character sheet. So first of all, you have to select the model. Choosing the right model will give you the best results. Here you can see many models like realistic, 3D, anime, and more. And when you're done here is a prompt box, where you have to input prompt for your character you want to create. For demo, I put a prompt with the help of ChatGPT. After this, select aspect ratio for your character. I go with 16:9 for better to see. Select generation mode, fast or normal. When you're done, simply click on generate, and here you see our quiz starting. He take few minutes, so I skip this part. Now you can see our character sheet is ready to use, as I put it in the prompt box. Now I upscale this image and download it. Here you can upscale the generated image up to 4x with different formats like JPG, PNG, SVG. When you're done, here in right side, click on Build Character. Here input your character name, like I'm giving name as Rio, and click on Train. It will take you 30 to 40 minutes. I skip this. After that, simply go Consistent Character, and simply click on Chose Character. From here you have to select our generated character, so I select Rio. Also, you can use already preset available to use. Here, you'll notice a default description that captures their main appearance, loaded into the text prompt. We should keep this description to reinforce the character's details. If you don't include the default description, the results may not be as consistent. Especially the name of your character, you need to keep there. And here you have to input is character action and scene. For demo, I input there suggestion given by Dzine. After this, you have to select the resolution of your image. I go with the 16:9 ratio for clarity. When you're done, simply click on generate. And here you will see our queue is starting. He takes some time. I will skip this part. Now you can see the character Rio we created looks pretty cool. The character's facial features, hairstyle, and outfit remain uniform across the images. Let's try another action and scan for our characters. For the demo, I write Rio is reading a book in the library, and click on Generate. After a little processing here, you can see our Rio character is reading a book in library, as we wrote in the prompt. Now let's simply download these images with upscaling. And now we will convert our Rio character into a video. For this, you will use this AI video tool on the left side here. Here you can generate image to video and text to video also. Here you simply have to upload the image of your character and simply describe what you want to see or create. After this, keep the imagination balance. The AI's creative freedom, moving it to the right makes the AI follow, and select the direction of the video for 5 seconds. You can also keep it for 10 seconds. And here you have to select the video model. I go with standard. And you can also set up the last screen from here. And when all this work is done, then simply click on Generate. I will skip the processing. And boom! Our character Rio is reading book. How beautiful is this video generated by Dzine? So friends, this is how you can design your own character. With this, here is AI Editor. You can edit specific part of image. You can add an object to the image with a reference image. You can also erase an object using the AI eraser, or expand the image boundaries if necessary for this image. This is the Insert Character tool. In this image, I'm simply use brush mode and select the area which you want to insert character. When he done, simply select model and input prompt what you want to see. Like Lip Boy, he runs forward happily. When he done, in few seconds, you can see how the insert character tool works beautifully. Now let me show you how to create AI images with face character reference. For this, you have to go to the text to image part. For demo, I input a prompt from ChatGPT, and here you have to turn on the face match tool. And here you have to select the reference image of your character you want to match face. I will use this image for demo. This is the main part. You have to simply select the right model what you want. I will select Design 3D Render V2 model, and when he done, click on Generate. After a little processing, you can see it, character reference regenerated with different model style. So friends, this way, you can create AI images with face character reference on Dzine. Along with this, you can make your normal photos more beautiful with the help of Face Swap and Face Repair tool. Let's try Face Swap for demo. Here you simply have to select your both images, whose face you want to change. When it is done, simply click on Generate. And now you can see with clarity the face swapped. Also, Face Repair tool. Simply brush the object and describe the desired facial characteristics. And when he is done, you can see how Face Repair tool work has been done. Face is more beautiful. One subscription for all AI visual tools. Save time and money. No more switching between expensive AI design apps. Try Dzine AI now.